call from last week, the dollar Swiss from last week, we were buying it above the 93.39. That is, as you recall, and this is what I've been trying to tell you all, whenever you have an entry signal, which is the structure point and the entry signal be one and the same, these are your number one choice trades. You take them and you be patient with them. So the buy was from 93.39, it is now 94. That's about 70 pips on that trade. That's not bad at all. And this is, and you can see the move. You had this trade twice. Once at the beginning of the week on the 25th, you had the move and it took you all the way to the 94.20. So you had a buy about on the 25th, buying it above the 93.39. We had a pullback, and then on Friday we traded below the 93.39, only to turn around, and you can see it on the intraday chart. And it's always really beneficial if you put the lines on so you can see it. Look at this, it just came right to the 39 and then it turned back around, and it was also the buy over here. So this is you could have had this trade, as I said, twice, and we're looking now for the dollar, especially having this kind of a close. This is a very strong close, it is a good close, and it would indicate continuation to the upside, and we are very close to our structure point, which is the 94.20. So the way we are going to look at this, as you can see here, we did not test the previous daily high or the two daily high. So what we need to do is, we need you guys that are with me in the room and have the software, we will take the long right out of the opening range. So we are not the first buy out of the range, we're going to take it. So the guys that don't have the software, you can take it above, it's 94.02 now, the structure point is 94.20. So for you, I'm going to make the entry at 94.20. that would be your long point and your structure long point, and of course it will be our stop. On the short side, where to take it short, as you can see here, technically this is ranging between the 93.39 and the 94.20, but if you look at the intraday chart, you can see that this is the first time above the 93.39, and this is the second time. So, and we have been made one high, two highs, and three highs. So we can take it a short from this intraday structure. I'm going to make this as a red line, so you know that this is just a selling point. We can take it short below the 93.77 structural point. Might give us a push to the downside towards the 93.39. So we are going to short it below 93.77. Our structure short point is the 93.39, and our stop, if we go short from here, our stop is going to be above the 4 daily highs, which is 93.91. This week the planning is done quite smoothly, because all our entry signals had been following up from the weekly before, so everything is lining up nicely. So anyway, for the dollar Swiss, we're buying it above the 94.20. It is our structural long point, and it's going to be our stop. On the short side, we're going to go short below 93.77. our structural short point is the 93.39, and our stop is going to be 93.91. Okay, your bias for the dollar Swiss is to the upside because we're looking for the dollar to continue high.